take number 4 of exercise 14.3, that is from chapter statistics of class 10. Question is, length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented by this table. My dear students, please subscribe my channel and also motivate your friends to subscribe. Please watch till the end. The length of the leaves in millimeter is 118 to 126, 127 to 135 and so on. Look at this table. The upper limit of this class is 126, whereas the lower limit of this class is 127. So this is an inclusive classification. We have to convert this into exclusive classification as we have already learned in class 9. That is, the difference between this lower limit and upper limit is 127 minus 126 divided by 2. Half of this difference is by 2. 127 minus 126 is 1 by 2, 0.5 in case of decimal. So we have to subtract 0.5 from all lower limits and we have to add 0.5 with all upper limits so that we will get an exclusive classification. So 118 minus 0.5 is 117.5. 126 plus 0.5 is 126.5. Next 126.5, 135.5. Next is 135.52. When we add 0.5 with this one, 144.5 it will be 144.5. Now 144.5 to 153.5, 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, 171.5 to 180.5, and the frequency will be remain as it is, that is 359, 12, 5, 4 and 2. This is inclusive classification and we have convert this into exclusive classification. Let me erase this one because we have to calculate any central tendency, that is mean, mode and median using only exclusive classification. So let me erase this. To find median of a frequency distribution table, we have to find cumulative frequency. So please let's find cumulative frequency of this one. Cumulative frequency of this class will be 3. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 9 is 17, plus 12 is 29, plus 5 is 34, plus 4 is 38, plus 2 is 40. So we got the cumulative frequency of this one. So number of data here, sum of f is also equal to 40. So number of leaves n is equal to 40. So n by 2 equal to 40 by 2, it is 20. The cumulative frequency just above 20 is, which one is just above 20? This is 17, it is less than 20. Its next is 29, it is greater than 20. So this one is 29. So this will be the median class. Median class equal to 29. So it will be the median class. It is 144.5 to 153.5. Lower limit of median class. Lower limit of median class L equal to 144.5. Class size H equal to 153.5 minus 144.5 44.5. It is 9. Now we have find n by 2, then L and H. Now what is the cumulative frequency of preceding class? Cumulative frequency of preceding class. It is 17. Frequency of median class, F equal to frequency of median class is 12. Formula to find median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. L is 144.5 plus n by 2 is 20 minus cumulative frequency of preceding class Cf is 17 by frequency of median class F is 12 and class size H equal to 9. So it will be 144.5 as it is 20 minus 17 is 3 by 9 and 12. It can be minimized. Here we have 3 and here we have 4. 4 into 3 because 3 and 3 can be cancelled from both numerator and denominator. So it will be 144.5 plus, this is 3 into 3 is 9 by 4. 9 by 4. 4 into 2 equal to 8 and 1 by 4. So 2.1 by 4 equal to 2.5. So it is 144.5 plus 2.5. It will be 0.75 and 146. 146.75 the median of this frequency distribution table. Thank you.